and today we are playing Apartment Tycoon, and of course I'm here with Val.
Hello guys!
This is our first regular video together in a long time, but also, I've got some news. Oh, dang it. Okay, so I got some news to share. Since we've only have like 2 episodes left of the show, we're gonna spare those, and we're gonna finish Flower and Marigolds first. And then we're gonna go back to iCarly, finish those. And then Lonnie and Flower are going to film a few of those episodes, and then I'm going to go for iCarly Season 2. We're going to film a few episodes for the Season 2, and then go with Lonnie and Flower. It's just going to go back and forth. Okay, clean spill. Val?
Yeah?
Okay, you were like silent, and I was like, what?
Oh, it's because like you went silent on my side.
Ooh, wait, there's stairs? Oh, sorry, I pushed you, kind of.
It's fine. Jack, you gotta collect money. You got 1,000. You got 1,000 right now. You gotta come collect money.
Ooh, I've already got so much cash. I'll collect money.
I would start doing the outside first. So, like, do these things. Like, right here. Do these. Like this.
I'm gonna get this.
And then do the inside. Right here. Right here. Right here. You want this. You want this. You want this. You want this. You want this.
Oh, I'm walking over a Roblox thing. You're like, what are you doing? What? Val? Hello?
My game disconnected.
Ah, okay, hold on. Let me pause so we can rejoin. Val's back. And his apartment's really big. Can I get a little tour? Ah! Okay, give me a sec. Gotta put my mic in a place where it's not gonna fall. I'm gonna wrap it around something and Ah! Hello. Do you like my avatar? I mean, it's been my avatar for the longest time. Oh wait, there's a security guard? I don't see him.
Oh, well, on your screen, don't.
Okay, I accidentally sat down, but I want to see the apartments. Okay, I have a song we learned in chorus stuck in my head.
Anyway,
You can cut it, you can paint it, you can... What was it? 2? I don't trust elevators that much. What is this? When do you get to the apartments? I'm gonna go to floor 3. What? Yeah, I don't trust elevators that much. Because you could actually literally get stuck in one. You can get stuck in one. Q, floor 4. Floor 4. We're gonna make this video a little bit longer. Because, Val's giving me a little tour. And, we're gonna make this video like 6 minutes. How about that? Where'd you go? Okay, floor 5.
welcome to storage.
Why are there people in here?
I don't know.
Are they NPCs? Floor 6. Oh gosh. Here's one of the apartments. Go in the bathroom. And as soon as it closes, I just spit all over my keyboard. Oh, now go in the bathroom. Just go in there. I want to see what it looks like when you see you go in there. Oh, okay, so it just like... Hold on, I'm going to go in there as soon as this lifts if I get out of here. What is this game? Who's it made by?
I don't know. Anyways, Jack,
I kind of spit on my keyboard. On my screen, kind of.
no, wait, don't go to the elevator.
Balcony. I see my apartment complex over there. That's not open.
Now to floor.
Hey Val, remember Mall Tycoon? I lost all my progress because I have a new account. Oh, there's two. There's twins. Hey Val, come to the bathroom door. I want to see if it'll close on you. Okay, are you going where are you going next? Oh, it's already 5 minutes. How about we make this a little longer? We can make this a little longer. How about this until we get to like 10 minutes? They're not loading. Alright, now they did for me now. Okay, I'm gonna go to floor 8. Oh, there's a bug. Where are you? There you are. Ooh, treadmill. You can cut it, you can paint it, you can... something. What was it? I can't remember. I can hardly hear you. I'm turning up my volume. Bathroom. Oh, this one's pink!
Yeah. Okay. Floor 11.
I thought we went to floor 10. We haven't gone to floor 10 yet.
We just go to floor 9. Yeah. It's floor 10.
You're like breaking up, kind
Oh,
of.
this is one of the fancy ones.
What?
This is one of the fancy ones.
Oh.
Apart.
So are you excited to, Val, are you excited to bring back some more Flower and Marigold? Cause that hasn't been on in like forever.
Yeah, anyways, let's get out of here. This place is
Okay, I just can't get, okay, there's a freaking elevator, like there's one in Carly's apartment. We're putting iCarly on hiatus for a little bit. Oh, another storage room.
not storage.
Is it a server room? Hello? Pretty cool. How many floors do you have so far? 13. Is that all it? Okay, now I'm going on to floor 13. Is it not finished? Oh. Oh, I can buy them for you! I'm stuck in this thing right now. I'm stuck in the thing. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Well, that's Val's tour of how his apartment complex is going so far. Hope
I
you...
just got a pool room.
Wait, you did?
Yeah, come check it out.
Floor 14. Well, we got one more thing to show you before we... Ooh, pool! Oh, it's not real.
Aw, that's so messed up.
Wait, can they swim in it? I want to see if they're allowed to swim in it. They don't go in.
Yeah, they don't. I don't think they go in. I want to see what.
There's you, Val. There's literally you.
I found a VIP room. I just bought it.
Okay, well, can you not? Am I not able to go to it?
VIP. I need to buy VIP. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye. We'll see you on Flower and Marigold. As not us, but Flower and Marigold.
Bye,
By
guys.
the way, if you're confused on who we are, because I know maybe many people could be. Right, Val? Like some people can be confused. I'm Marigold. I'm gonna jump. I'm Marigold.
I'm Flower.
Yeah. If any of you are confused by that, stupid ads. Stop it showing up. Ads will go. Okay, guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Smash that like button. Comment, subscribe.